just started printing this half of a flute. I printed a smaller version of it. It did not fail. This one though, theoretically kinda did. It separated from its supports, but somehow it's still printing. Somehow. I don't know how, but somehow it's still printing. And I don't even see that many defects. Like here, I'll pause it for a second. Look at that. See how it can do that? The supports are supposed to hold it down. But somehow, and I don't know how, and I don't know why, it's still not loose from the bed. Like it's probably holding itself by the end points. That's it. It's really weird, isn't it? Anyways, if I start to print again, just give it a second, it has to purge. Just give it a second. Right there. There we go. And just look. It's printing like as if normal. Like as if it's not loose. Yeah, sometimes it makes weird sounds. Maybe it's rubbing against the plastic. Like that. But somehow, it's still printing. That's surprising, isn't it? So basically, yeah. My printer is too overpowered. But like imagine. It's just holding itself at both of the ends. The middle is quite loose. And it's still not failing. Can you see any spaghettification? Like at all? No, I don't think you can. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Just, my printer is magical.